Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Stanley here, and today's video is about how to get a US number in Ghana. So as I mentioned in my the video about VPNs, I told you about the best VPN to ever use is the ExpressVPN. The number one VPN on my list was ExpressVPN, and to show you that I use it, so I use it to connect to a lot of stuffs. So this is my VPN, and normally I check to US. And so let me take any state, Washington DC and everything. So let's go back. In order to get a US number, it is you have to go to your Play Store. Okay, you have to go to your Play Store and make sure you search for Textnow. Okay. Okay, so it's in. So Textnow, free texting and calling app. It makes you have the ability to get a free local phone number, unlimited calling and texting, affordable international calling, get creative group up to. These are not necessary. So the necessary part is that it helps you to. I have already installed it already, so you can also install it if you want a US number. So let me open it so that you see mine account. So this is my account, and so one thing about Textnow is that when you get the account, or when you create the account, they give you about, I think, a week or two to use the number. So if you don't use the number, they are going to tell you, because you've not used the number they gave you, they are going to reassign it to another person, or I don't know whether it's a person. But then now they are asking me in order to get a new phone number, I need to get a new area code or something. Now I need to use my area code, which means I'm using a US area code. Let me use 895, Let me exit it and let's see. I think maybe there is a problem. Let me end it all and let me go back to Textnow. Let's see. What is wrong? So something went wrong. Please try again later. 785-754. Yay. So I tried a couple of times before I was getting the number. So okay, So Textnow is now telling me, unfortunately, we've had to reassign your phone number. In the future, you can avoid losing your number by sending a text message from your account every few days. This way, we will know you are still using it. So I think no close. So I think I had to use the number. So now this is my US number. You can see that it's copied and I can use it for a whole lot of stuff. So I can show you stuff that I can use my new US number for, maybe in my next video or any video that I want to talk about the US number. So I hope you would use this technique to get a US number. Maybe you want to use it for, maybe I don't know what you want to use it for, but then not for any I don't know, robbery or whatever purpose. You can't use it for any bad means. You do it at your own risk. If you use it for any wrong purpose, you do it at your own peril. So thank you for watching my YouTube video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on the notification bell to be notified anytime I post a new YouTube video. Thank you.